Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm back with another quick CoinGecko tutorial and we'll be learning how to delete price alerts on CoinGecko. If you've set multiple price alerts and your notifications are getting cluttered, then removing old alerts is simple and takes just a few seconds. First of all, open the CoinGecko application on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged in. Go to the notification icon or the bell icon at the top right corner from the home page, and then under notifications, you will see custom price alerts button under coins. Tap on it. Now you will see any price alerts that you've added on the page. Tap on one of the price alerts, and in the pop-up you will see a little trash can. Tap on the trash can icon to delete the alert and click on delete. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete the selected price alert. So that's how you easily delete an alert on CoinGecko. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.